Most users leave these Windows settings on by default, but they expose your system to unnecessary risk. Let's fix that under 2 minutes. So the very first thing is disable the remote desktop. So click on the search icon and type remote, and you will find remote desktop settings. All right. And here we just need to click on that and turn off remote desktop. And if you're using a home edition, then you don't need to do anything on that. Once you turn off, the second service is remote registry service. This service is rarely used today and can be abused by malware. Disabling it is a smart move. So I'll do a right click in the start icon. I'll go to run and I'll type services.msc. I'll maximize it so that you can type it, services.msc, and click on that. You will find a window like this. Select any of the service, and then we are looking for remote registry. So we will type R and we will look for remote registry. It is already disabled as I did already, but if it's not disabled in your case, you can do a right click, go to properties and select startup type disabled. Click on apply and OK. Right. Once this is done, the final one is adjust the user account control UAC to high. So we need to click on the search icon and type UAC. All right. Now it says change user account control settings. I'll click on that and I'll slide to the bar always notify to the max, and I will click on that. Now this ensures Windows alerts you before any app tries to make any changes. It's a simple layer of protection. So you just need to say yes, and this is done. Right. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and do share this tutorial with your loved ones, family, and friends. All right. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.